Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE begins online registration for Class 12 Supplementary Examination 2026. Eligible private candidates and 2025 compartment students can submit examination forms online from 30th June to 8th July 2026 through the CBSE portal. The Class 12 supplementary examination will be held on 28th July 2026. The examination fee is 320 rupee per subject for candidates in India, while admit cards will be issued separately. CBSE opens online submission of list of candidates for Class 12 Supplementary Examination 2026. Affiliated schools can submit applications for eligible students from 30th June to 8th July 2026 through the CBSE portal. Students placed in compartment, those eligible for improvement in one subject, and 2025 compartment candidates can apply as per eligibility. Schools have been directed to submit LOC within the prescribed schedule, as no late applications or fee payments will be accepted. CBSE releases city intimation for DRQ 2026 candidates. Applicants can now download their advanced city intimation slip through the official portal to check their allotted examination city and skill test guidelines, English Hindi, for travel planning. The admit card carrying the exact examination center, date and time will be issued separately. No travelling allowance and dearness allowance will be paid by the board. For more details, refer to the official CBSE circular. Central Information Commission directs CBSE to formulate a standard operating procedure defining timelines for providing students with their marks and answer sheets upon request. The recommendation, made while hearing an RTI appeal by a Class 12 student, aims to ensure transparency, prevent delays, and reduce hardship for students. CIC asks CBSE to publish the SOP on its official website and furnish the students' assessment records free of cost after removing confidential information. NCERT's revised Class 9 Social Science textbook describes the judiciary as an impartial and independent institution that protects constitutional values and citizens' rights. The update comes after the earlier revised Class 8 textbook was withdrawn following Supreme Court concerns over references to judicial corruption and case backlogs. CBSE declares over 99.7% of Class 12 re-evaluation results. The board says the remaining cases are in the final stage of processing and will be released soon. It adds that the review process is conducted carefully with expert support from IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur to ensure accuracy and fairness. The center plans a national law to regulate coaching centers and reduce students' dependence on coaching for JEE, NEET, and CUET. The draft proposes stricter rules for coaching institutes, limits daily coaching hours to 2-3 hours, promotes stronger school education, and recommends entrance exams that better align with school learning. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.